Looking to craft eye-catching logos without investing countless hours or money in complicated design software? Imagine a powerful tool that transforms your ideas into professional logos with just a few clicks. No design expertise needed. Whether you're starting a new brand, launching a blog, or simply seeking a fresh identity, it's time to simplify your design journey. Excited to dive into the world of LogoAI? Let's get started. Today, we're diving into LogoAI, an innovative platform that allows you to generate unique logos effortlessly. What sets it apart? LogoAI harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to create customized logos tailored to your brand's identity. This means you get professional quality designs without the hefty price tag. Perfect for entrepreneurs, small businesses, or anyone looking to make a statement without the long wait times of traditional design methods. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to check the link in the description for a special offer from LogoAI. After signing up for your account, let's dive into the feature I'm most excited to introduce, the Logo Maker. To get started, simply click "Let's make a logo" on the main screen, followed by Start. The first step is to enter your logo name. Keep in mind that you can always make changes later, so don't stress if it's not final. Next, if you have a brand slogan, you can add it here too. Once you're ready, go ahead and click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to select an industry. You'll see options such as travel, sports and fitness, retail, animals and pets, and others. Choose the industry that best represents your brand, as it will influence the logo designs you'll see. After that, it's time to choose a color scheme that matches your brand's aesthetic. If you're not sure which to pick, you can always skip this step. Color options include warm, cold, contrast, grayscale, and gradient. For this example, I'll go with grayscale to keep things visually modest and mature. Once you've selected a color scheme, click Continue. The final customization step before logo generation is selecting a font style that fits your brand's personality. I'll choose the modern style. Now, simply hit Generate, and in a matter of moments, LogoAI will present you with a variety of stunning, ready-to-use logos tailored specifically for your brand. With so many unique styles and layouts to choose from, you're sure to find a design that captures your brand perfectly. If you find yourself liking more than one design, you can mark them as favorites by clicking the heart icon. This saves your preferred logos to your computer and also helps LogoAI's AI engine suggest more designs similar to the ones you like. In addition to marking favorites, you'll also have options to preview, edit, or buy your logo right from the results page. For example, if I decide to edit a logo, LogoAI offers several symbol suggestions to add unique elements to your design. Beyond symbols, you can customize the logo further by adjusting the layout, fonts, and colors until it's exactly how you envision it. Once your design is just right, you can save your final creation or purchase it on the spot. Following the Logo Maker, there's another fantastic feature on the main screen of LogoAI that you'll want to explore: Logo Ideas. Just go to the top toolbar and select Logo Ideas. Here, you'll find nearly 5 million logo ideas and design templates ready for you to browse and customize. Each of these designs is made to be versatile and adaptable, offering you countless options to jumpstart your logo creation process. For example, if I search for the keyword technology, LogoAI will provide a range of tech-related logo designs. You'll see designs that suit the modern, innovative vibe of technology brands, each ready for you to make your own. If you find a logo you particularly like, you can click to preview it in greater detail. From there, hit Customize to open up LogoAI's editing tools. This user-friendly feature allows you to make a variety of adjustments. You can start by modifying the symbols to ensure they resonate with your brand's identity. Next, change the layout to better suit your vision, and then explore the color palette to find the perfect hues that represent your brand. After that, experiment with different fonts to ensure the text complements your design. This comprehensive customization process makes it easy to transform a template into a fully personalized logo that truly stands out. Finally, I'd like to introduce you to another standout feature on LogoAI, the AI Designer. Beyond just logos, this tool allows you to create AI-powered designs, making it incredibly easy to bring your ideas to life with AI's help. The AI Designer includes a variety of design tools like AI Remove, mockups, product photo, profile photo, biz cards, and AI Design, all crafted to give you the flexibility to meet a wide range of branding needs. And these are just some of the features available. AI Designer offers an extensive toolkit for high-quality professional designs that perfectly represent your brand. This feature really enhances your creative capabilities, making professional design accessible and enjoyable. Due to time constraints, I'm only able to provide a brief overview here. But if you're curious to learn more about the AI Designer, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to make a follow-up video. Before we wrap up, there's one more important aspect to consider: the pricing options. The process of getting a professional logo doesn't just stop at design. The platform also offers flexible, one-time payment plans to suit different needs. The basic package starts at $29 USD, which includes design edits and an 800 by 600 pixel logo resolution. The Pro package at $59 USD upgrades you to high-resolution logos, transparent PNGs, and even includes Word and PPT file formats. For those looking for more, the brand package costs $99 USD and offers everything in Pro, along with vector files, logo animations, and 100 AI credits to create branded materials like business cards, mockups, and more. If you're just getting started with LogoAI, there's an exciting opportunity for you. Simply click the Give Me button to receive your exclusive coupon code that unlocks fantastic savings. But wait, there's more. If you're looking for even more special offers, don't hesitate to click the link in the description below. This will give you access to additional promotions that I'm thrilled to share with you. Don't miss out on the chance to maximize your savings and make the most of your LogoAI experience. Thank you for watching. If this video inspired you to create your logo with LogoAI, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting content. Don't forget to click the link in the description for your special offer. Dive in, start designing, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. See you in the next video.